Friends, if you live in the United Arab Emirates and use Etisalat's home Wi-Fi or a postpaid SIM card and want to cancel it, here's the complete process. If your contract is complete, there's no extra charge. If not, you'll need to pay 1 month's extra bill to cancel. To cancel your postpaid SIM, call 800-665, select your language, enter your postpaid number, and choose the cancel option. Your call will connect to the cancellation department after account verification. You can then confirm the cancellation with the agent. For home Wi-Fi cancellation, call 800-365. Select your language and enter your account number. You'll receive a verification code on your registered number. Enter it to verify your account. Then your call connects to the cancellation department, where you'll be asked for a reason and a cancellation request will be generated. You will get a request number by SMS, and after paying any due amount the same day, your account will be cancelled and confirmation sent by email. If your contract isn't complete, you'll need to pay 1 month's extra bill and any remaining installments on the free device you receive. You can check your contract details by logging into the Etisalat app.